Kaugnay po ng kasong yan na pagpatay sa international race car driver na si Enzo Pastor. Makakapanayan po natin si Atty. Eduardo Villena, abogado po ng pamilya Pastor. Atty. Villena, magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga sa Arnold, magandang umaga
Opo.
sa iyo sa nakikinig sa umagang ito.
Ano na po ang legal action natin? Kasampahan ba ng kaso ng pamilya
Well,
Pastor?
there will definitely be an inquest proceedings to be conducted at the Department of Justice this morning.
Opo. Tanggap na ho ba ng pamilya Pastor na yung asawa o si Dalia ay nasasangkot po rito, attorney?
Actually, how they wish that it is not true, ano?
Oo.
But however, the scientific investigations of the police pointed to the direction, and it seems to be, it seems that these are based on facts. In fact, Sandy, the alleged boyfriend, were caught in flagrante delito, meaning caught in the act of handing 50,000 pesos to the alleged gunman who confessed having directly participated in the execution. He himself was the gunman who shot and fired at the gun that killed Enzo.
Ibig sabihin, huling-huli ho na itong bonus na to ay...
It was in the act of handing the money,
Okay.
and handing the money that serves as a bonus for a very job well done.
Yung armason na ginamit kay Enzo na nasa kustodiya na rin po ng polis?
Well, actually, according to the gunman, the gun was provided by Sandy.
Okay.
And after the execution, he returned it to Sandy, including the motorcycle as well as the alleged firearm, which is a 45 caliber.
Oho. Okay, nung nalaman ho ba ng pamilya Pastor itong anggulong ito, nasan po si Dalia?
Well, they lost contact since after the 40th commemoration of the death of Enzo, and up to this moment, they do not have communication with Dalia.
Yung anak po nila, nasan po?
Well, it's in the custody of Dalia.
Nakidalya rin po.
Actually, that's the concern of the family, of the parents of Enzo. How can they have access to their grandchildren?
Sa impormasyon...
However, we are intending to file whatever civil actions as far as possible custody of the children are concerned.
Opo. Pero attorney, sa impormasyon din po nakuha ng CIDG, ang rason daw ho inaabuso rin po ni Enzo si Dalia. Ano pong reaksyon ng pamilya rito?
Well, we expect this kind of information to create confusion in the course of investigation. We expect this, and a person accused of a very serious crime is expected to resort to any form of alibi just to, of course, to clear himself.
Tsaka ang problema hindi na humakadepensa si Enzo.
Well, it's
Hindi ho ba?
unfortunate. It's unfortunate that
Okay.
Enzo is now gone. But
Opo.
however, as far as the adultery matter is concerned, it's only the offended husband under the present law could file the case. Nobody else.
Opo. Attorney Villena, yung angle po ng bukod sa love triangle, insurance daw. May insurance ho ba si Enzo, attorney?
Well, we are not talking about the insurance yet. However,
Okay.
definitely, with the kind of profession that Enzo is engaged, definitely there is an insurance that matter.
Okay. Sa huli pong pagkakaalam ng pamilya, nasan po si Dalia, attorney?
Well, they do not have exact information. The police is working on it 24/7.
Pero hindi ba nakahiwalay si Enzo
at
tsaka si Dalia?
definitely catch up.
Hindi ba nakahiwalay na bahay sina Enzo tsaka si Dalia sa pamilya?
Enzo and Dalia is living on their own.
Okay.
And as of the moment, of course, the whereabouts of Dalia is completely unknown.
So hanggang sa mga sandaling ito, umaasa po ang pamilya Pastor na hindi sangkot itong si Dalia, attorney?
Well, as of the moment, you are still in state of shock. Just like any parents-in-law, that while news of some troubles involved the family is normal among couples, however, they never expect that it will result to something fatal.
Attorney, nung hindi na po nakadalo sa ika-4 na pong araw ng pagkamatay ni Enzo si Dalia,
Well, I
May
think
pag-
on
may
the
pa-
40th, according to the parents, on the
Oo.
40th anniversary, they had initial contact. And that was the last.
Wala na ho silang hinala nung hindi na ho ito nagpakita sa kanila, si Dalia.
Well, of course, just like any other parents-in-law, they always resolve the doubt in favor of Dalia.
I
Because,
see.
of course, the bond of relationship still exists because there are issues, there are children.
Pag ito po ho
And
bang,
they still hello?
pag ito ho bang si Dalia nagpabigay ng komunikasyon at informasyon, kayo ho ba willing siya na maging kliyente nyo, attorney?
And of course, there is a conflict of interest. The profession does not allow it.
Aha, I see. Attorney, maraming salamat po sa oras. Magandang umaga po.
Salamat din tayo, Thank you very
Apo.
much.
Thank you po. Attorney Eduardo Villena, abogado po ng pamilya, pastor. Sinubukan po namin imbitahan at kuhanan ng pahayag ang kampo ng mga suspect pero hindi po nila nasasagot yung aming pinapadala mga tawag at text messages.